students, relax, sit back and listen to math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept conditional probability. Conditional probability means two events will be there and we are finding the probability of one event provided that the other event has already happened. So, E and F are two events associated with the sample space of a random experiment. The conditional probability of the event A given that F has occurred this is the conditional probability formula. Here we are finding the conditional probability of event E provided the event F has already happened. So the formula is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F, where this probability of F is not equal to 0. Now in this problem we have to find probability of A provided that B has already happened. So the conditional probability formula is probability of A intersection B by probability of B, where this probability of B won't be equal to 0. So in question itself they have given probability of A intersection B as 4 by 13. So 4 by 13 by probability of B is 9 by 13. 9 by 13. So 4 by 13 into the reciprocal 13 by 9, 13, 13. So 4 by 9. So final answer is probability of A provided that B has already occurred. The conditional probability of A is 4 by 9. In a school, there are 1000 students. Out of 430 students are girls. So, in total number of students is 1000. Girl students is 430. We have to, it is known that out of 430, 10% of the girl students study in class 12. So, number of girl students studying in class 12 is 10%. So, 430 into 10 by 100. So, if you further simplify, you will get 43. So, 43 girl students studying in grade 12. Okay. Next, you have to find the probability that a student chosen randomly studies in class 12 and that given that the chosen student is a girl. So, here we have to apply the conditional probability. That is probability of choosing a student of grade 12. So, let A be the event of choosing a student from class 12 and B be the event of choosing a girl student. So, if I am finding the conditional probability means A by B. So, probability of A intersection B by probability of B. This B is probability of choosing a girl student and this A intersection B is probability of the common part for both of this. That is, that student should be a girl student and that student should study in class 12. So, first find the probability individually. A intersection B. Here, we already found that 43 students are girl students and those students are studying grade 12. So, 43 by 1000. And here probability of B. Probability of B is choosing a girl student. So, out of 1000, 430 students are girl students. So, 430 by 1000. Next, apply this in the given formula. A by B equal to 43 by 1000 by 430 by 1000. So, 43, this 1000 will be cancelled out. 43 by 1 into 1 by 430. So, 43 cancelled out, 1 by 10. So, 0.1. So, probability of choosing a student randomly in class 12 given that the chosen student is a girl that probability is 0.1. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.